Okay, Pop, I thought I'd do a video tutorial for trying to find that path to the complementary deal shield. So I believe this is pretty much how yours looks like. I'm on a laptop and a PC, you're on your tablet. So maybe a little different, like some of this stuff up in here, you know, that's not going to be there necessarily. But I think from here on down, you should have all that. And so this is what I was trying to get you to get to on the phone earlier, is this right here. Start your search. You should have that button right there in front of you. I know you kept saying about solution, so it should be just right over here. So assuming that you can find that, and that you do have that, now maybe you don't. So when you click that, it gives you the opportunity to fill in stuff, but you don't need to worry about that. Just go in and say search inventory, and then it brings you to this. 111,000 cars. That's a lot to go through, but right here is the complementary. Right there, see the Carvana? And then complementary. These are all, maybe Carvana's in there too, but these are all dealers that are offering a complimentary deal shield. 278 of them. So I'm just assuming that your tablet is similar to that, but I don't know that for sure. But once you clicked on that, then for me, I have them sorting by year. So I have the oldest ones, so I get rid of all the 2020s and 19s. They're in here, but way on the bottom. So I'm getting the older stuff first, and I could do other sorts, but I just start with this, and then I can scoot through to what I want. So that's how I do it. And then of course it has this deal shield emblem on the screen in your box there. So anyways, that's how it should be done on your tablet too, I guess. I hope.